Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. So another kitty rubbing. So I'm just kind of getting the shapes mapped out here. Just looking for subtle lines to help guide me. Kitty rubbing those cheeks. That all too familiar sight we see with our kitties. Just feeling my way through the ears here. Just making some corrections as I go. That tail's kind of hanging over the bricks that Kitty's sitting on. Just want to make sure the features look convincing. And once I get the important parts looking convincing, the general shape of the cat, then I can start darkening up some of the lines that I like. It can be a difficult perspective with a semi-side view. The main thing is to have the eye that's farther away not as played up. Just kind of let it fade a little bit. Just making sure the ears line up and stuff. We were going 3 times the speed here, and now we're going to speed up to... Oh no, I guess we're still 3 times the speed. We're not speeding up quite yet. Pretty soon to 4 times the speed, and I'm voicing over. So I decided that back was up a little bit too high. So I'm modifying things here a little. Making Kitty's shape look a little more convincing. There's the shoulders. Make sure that tail's flopping over well. Just really making sure the eyes line up here and fit into the eye sockets and into the structure of the skull, into the contour of Kitty's head. So now we are going 4 times the speed. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment, ask me a question, tell me about your cat, tell me about yourself, where you live in this big wide world. So make those bricks look like they're actually there. Tails hanging over the side. I want this eye now here to be a little more faded. This is the one. I keep bouncing back and forth so quick. Anyways, the eye closer to us needs to be played up a little more than the other. I feel like I haven't really faded the other one out enough, but we're not finished yet. It's not bad. I like what I'm doing here. I'm liking how Kitty's turning out. Now we're going 8 times the speed. We're going to finish this drawing up. So watch carefully because it goes fast. I do plan on making like a $10 or $20 course that is real time and going through a whole cat drawing, taking it even farther than this. That's in the future. Planning on it. So if you're interested in that, let me know. Cat drawing courses. I thought I'd start with just a little one and then we'll see what happens after that. Whiskers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.